start for the presentation with our candidate number 1, Miss Rowana Yapon.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Rowana Yapon from Cosmetic Group.
Yes, thank you, Miss Rowana. Siyempre, di ba tayo dyan? Ating candidate number 2, we have Miss Jomari Leonardo.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Jomari Leonardo from NLPC.
And next candidate, Miss Mayan Almonte.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Mayan Almonte from MP.
Sumali si
Next po, Miss Jana Carrera. Hello, everyone. I am honored to be here tonight representing for Cosmetic Unique.
Yes, at syempre, meron din tayong umabot na candidate, which is candidate number 14, Miss Mary Grace Romualdo from NDA Finishing. Miss Mary Grace? And our next candidate, Miss Irene Reyes.
Good evening, everyone. Ang makinang na dilaw sa cosmetic veneer, Irene Lile.
Yes!